Yeah, Ketoians. Okay, so winter is upon us, and that means it's time to start packing on the pounds and getting ready to hibernate. But we all know that that is not how us Ketoians work, right? Isn't it kind of cool that we can have like comfort dishes and still lose weight? Huh, must be nice. So, from my mom's kitchen to my kitchen to your kitchen, here is her ultimate Italian comfort dish, lasagna. Keto style, of course. Welcome to my kitchen. All right, let's make some keto comfort food. All right, so first thing we want to do, preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And then in a skillet, we're going to brown our meat. And here I have a pound of ground beef and a pound of ground sausage. Now, if you haven't had this blend of meat, it is life-changing. Let me tell you, it is so good. However, if you don't like Italian sausage, first of all, what is wrong with you? And then second of all, you can always just substitute it for ground beef. But just realize that you're gonna wanna go ahead and season your ground beef. Now, while that's browning in our skillet, we're gonna go ahead and mix our cheeses. So, I have 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese and 1/4 of a cup of Romano cheese. Both grated, of course. And to this, I'm going to add 16 ounces of cottage cheese. Now, we're using cottage cheese here because it actually contains less carbs than ricotta cheese. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that in a bowl and give that a really, really good mix. And then we're just gonna go ahead and set that aside. Now, once our meat mixture is nice and browned, to this we're going to add our pasta sauce. And I am actually using Lucini's pasta sauce. And this is great because number one, it's organic. And number two, there's no added sugars. So it is very keto friendly. All you're getting the sugars is from the tomatoes. Nothing added to it, makes it perfect for keto consumption. And so I'm gonna add about a cup of this to our meat mixture and give it all a good mix. Just make sure you reserve some for later. All right, so in a casserole dish, we're going to layer our ingredients, and then you can just layer this however you'd like. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and start with half of our meat sauce. And then we're gonna add a layer of noodles. Now, for the noodles, I'm using Palmini's Heart of Palm lasagna noodles. Now, if you haven't had Heart of Palm yet, give it a shot. It is actually amazing. It tastes great. It goes really, really well with practically any sauce that you put it with. So give it a shot. But if you have some kind of keto-friendly noodles that you favor and use yourself, just go ahead and use those here. So I have our layer of noodles, and then on top of this, I'm going to add half of our cottage cheese mixture. And then I'm gonna sprinkle about 1/3 to 1/2 of our mozzarella on top of that. And then I'm gonna add another layer of the noodles. And then we just repeat however you'd like. We're gonna add the remaining pasta sauce on top. And then we're gonna top that sauce with the remaining mozzarella cheese. Then we're gonna bake at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the cheese on top begins to start browning. And then you're good. You remove that, serve it up, and you have keto comfort food deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you are excited that you now have a keto version of the ultimate Italian comfort food. P.S. You have my mom to thank for that. Thanks, Mom. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.